Long steam out. We're following some of the Island Outfitters guys out there. Talked to them at the dock. They said just follow us out there. We're going halibut fishing. So it's a big ocean, but it pays to have local knowledge. So definitely a lot of salmon blowing up on the surface. I'm seeing them jump and crash bait. So the goal is to go get a couple things from the bottom, so that we got white meat for dinner and for the freezer. Try and get our limit of halibut and then mosey on back in. We'll kind of troll our way back. So that's the game plan. Keep you posted. Alright, I just dropped it down and definitely got a halibut on. Woohoo! Welcome aboard. I'm just more saying, oh my goodness, about the whale. Right there. All right, you want to reel on halibut? Here you go. Undersized one. No, you keep this one. This is just your 83. Yeah, positive. All we gotta catch is 4 kings, which should be pretty easy. Oh, this one's slightly over, but we'll just keep it. It's our limit. Done. Unless you want to drop down for another one. Yeah. Well, that didn't take long. And we're limited in 5 minutes. All right, we're doubled up on the bank. We got a nice fish on this one. Bree's gonna grab it. Baby's crying. Okay, this one's a coho. Yay, coho. I think this one's a keeper. What? But now keep pressure on them. Now don't lift until, just keep pressure on them. Now back up. Back up does not mean pull your rod 10 feet out of the way. You have a 10.5-foot rod. No. Okay, real. Back up. That's our limit of kinks. Nope, that's it. We got 4 dead kings in the box. 1, 2, 3, and a coho. Push the button right here. All right, so there's a pod of something out here. There's an orca right here. It's a pod of orcas. Oh yeah. got treated to the show of the century. So I've been coming out to Swiftsure Bank for years and I've never seen that. Like, this is probably my 20th trip to Swiftsure Bank and I've never seen orcas like that. I mean, there are hundreds of orcas out here right now. Hundreds of them.
Oh, there's probably thousands migrating through.
They're an incredible animal. Can you imagine?
You just look up over there.
Oh, there's hundreds of spouts over there. Like, I want to avoid them, you know? Well,
they're all the way across.
this is our line. They're over here, so we're just gonna.
So were we just fishing in Canada, or were we just fishing?
We were in Canada.
We were.
Yep. Here's the border right here.
So if we were on the other side.
Washington's just a little further over, is all it is. The one thing that kind of stinks is we can't just dip over to Washington, get our fish in Washington, because it's open in Washington right now too.
For halibut?
Not for halibut, for salmon. You go get more kings, probably a few coho. If we stayed and grounded out for coho, we'd limit on coho for sure.
Oh, yeah.
I had 3 coho on.
There was salmon that were on the top of the coho, way closer to port, too.
Yeah, if you want to steam that direction, there's definitely coho on the surface towards port. This is the best spot for them, but yeah. We could steam over and go look for coho. Steam closer.